Often think we're opposites, falling in.
Hey cupcakes, welcome back to my channel. Yes, it's another week, honey. So today I have another influencer unboxing video, and this is from Loreal Palace. I'm so excited to receive this box. As y'all all know, if you've been watching my videos from day one, I received this box for free for testing purposes only from influencer. So I'm solely excited about it. That's why I love influencer. I can try products for free and test it out, state my opinion on it. If I don't like it, I don't like it. If I like it, I like it. If I somewhat, in between on it, I can state my opinion, and nobody got something to say about me stating my opinion. I don't have a problem with it. These companies want you to review their products and give your honest opinion on these products. That's why they send it to us, so that we can give our opinion. Don't be faking shit. But anyhow, as I go sip my tea on that shit, let's get inside and see what's inside this box. Oh. I know a lot of you be excited about these unboxing videos. It's very exciting to see exactly what's inside these boxes. Okay, so I see two full-size products in this box. Let me show y'all. Two full-size products right here. A pamphlet. I already grabbed the pamphlet to look at this. Skincare has just been revolutionized. L'Oreal Paris. I like L'Oreal. The first one is the L'Oreal Palace new Revitalift Derm Intense 10% pure vitamin C concentrate, visible radiance in 1 week. This is the packaging. This is how it looks. Pretty nice. I love the packaging. Cute. Even though, let me see what this is all about. Highest concentration of pure vitamin C is so intensely revitalizing. It visibly boosts skin's youthful radiance in 1 week. 1 week? Really, L'Oreal? 1 week? My skin gonna look better? If y'all haven't watched my last video, my updated eyebrow routine, I explained to y'all why my skin look like this. My face look like shit. So I'm so excited to receive this box to try and see if I make my skin look a little bit better. I really need a skincare regimen, a skincare routine, because my face and my face ain't looking like how it used to be when I was younger. So now I feel like it's time for me to have a skincare routine, so I'll get back to my normal skin, and my skin look like really good. Because I don't like how it's looking right now. No, boo-boo. So comment below, cupcakes, your skincare routine, so I can, I don't even know how to do skincare routine. What steps should I take? I don't even know. Oh, I need you to comment down below and let me know, really, what's your skincare routine? What products do you use to prevent acne? So let's get back to this. It's a unique formula and packaging. Our serum has been formulated without water for increased stability and packaged in a metal tube for zero UV exposure plus nitrogen blanket technology to shield formula from contact with metal lining. Ooh, that's a fancy, huh? How to use. In AM and PM, smooth a pea-sized amount onto face, avoiding the eye area. For best result, use with Revitalift Triple Powder Day Cream and SPF products in the AM. A slight warming effect may be experienced, which is completely normal and safe. So it's tested safe on all skin types, even sensitive skin. Paraben-free, allergy-tested, mineral oil-free, and fragrance-free. Interesting, huh? Okay, let me see. Did they give me the day cream? No. Week 1, see brighter, more youthful radiance, unveils more vibrant skin, refines for smoother feeling skin. Week 2, visibly reduces fine lines. Directions. Unscrew ribbed base of cap and discard white ring. Replace cap to puncture scale to use unscrew tip of cap. every morning and evening. Smooth onto face, avoiding the eye area. For best result, use with our Revitalift product. A slight warming effect may be experienced. This is completely normal. Next product is pretty heavy, and this is the Loreal Paris Revitalift Derm Intensive 1.5% pure hyaluronic acid serum. More supple feeling skin starts day one. Boo! Y'all coming with these, so you try to tell me my skin gonna feel better in day one, and the next product is gonna feel better in a week. Boo! L'Oreal, who y'all fooling with this? I don't believe these salts clean. I have to see for myself, because I doubt that. I doubt it, highly doubt it, when it takes 28 days, a full month, for your skin to actually shed into its new skin. 28 days to see results. So, to say, one day and another one is a week, we'll see, L'Oreal, we'll see. You know, I don't hold no punches with my mouth. This powerful anti-aging acid serum immediately plumps and hydrates your skin while visibly reducing wrinkles in just 2 weeks. Unique formulation. Our formula has been created with the optimal derma recommended concentration, combining a high and low molecular weight, 0.5%. High molecular weight intensively rehydrates skin surface, while 1% low molecular weight penetrates into skin surface layer to visibly pump fine lines and wrinkles from within. Tested for safety on all skin types, even sensitive skin. Paraben-free, no synthetic dyes, mineral oils, fragrance immediately deeply replenishes hydration. Skin feels more supple and looks smoother. Okay. And in week one, visibly plumps for younger looking skin. Return youthful, bouncy feel to skin. Skin feels firmer, more elastic. Visibly refreshes skin to look well rested and glowing with moisture. And how to use this is every morning and evening. Apply 2 to 3 drops to the face and neck, avoiding the eye area. Interesting. So this is the product right here. This is how it looks. We're gonna do this. Let's see how this looks. I already took a bath in the morning, so my face is already cleansed and ready to try this product out. I don't have anything on my face. Okay. Just 1 drop, 2 drop, 3 drop. I gotta do what you gotta do. Supposed to rub it there. I don't know. This 2 or 3 drop is actually working. Let me put another drop because I have a big face. Oh, I forgot. Your hands must be clean too. So you can't scratch in your ass to use this product. Let me do it. Sure, that was a big drop. I think 2 to 3 little drop. Get this neck wrinkle free, boo boo. We gotta get this neck. Oh God, I hope this shit don't turn off my skin. I don't like the glycolic acid, because every time I use any product that contains glycolic acid, I receive some pussy bumps. I don't be into that. Now I'm about to use some of this and get it all over my face. They said just a little bit. Just get a little bit tip, just tiny little bit on my head. This is day 1. I call this neck. All of that. I'm gonna test this out, okay? I'm gonna come back to y'all in a week from now, like a mini review, to see how it looks in a week time. and then I'm gonna come back in a month time to give my final review on this product and to show y'all my final results using this product. But anywho, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I had it's a great first impression video trying to try out these shit, because they be saying all kind of false advertisement on shit, so I need to see if this really is the tea. But in the meantime, I'm gonna continue to drink this up and finish this so I can eat some breakfast and start my Sunday dinner, okay? But anyway, peace out in this bitch.
We have to prove them wrong, 'cause I